Hey you! Yeah, you! Aren't you tired of your ACM website looking pretty bad? Then come on down to UCO's ACM website. We have a homepage, a store where you can buy stuff, and we accept multiple payment options: credit card, PayPal, and Bitcoin. And you can come to the discussion page where you can see all the hottest posts. And if you want something live, you can come down to the live chat. Just put in your name and we have all these chat rooms. Our chat has more rooms than your house does. And the events. You can see the calendar and see all the upcoming events. And if you want to tell someone you're attending, you can do so. We have clubs. We have so many clubs. Let's go to the Capture the Flag Club. Oh, and if you're a super admin and don't like that hideous yellow, just come to your dashboard. Club theme. Let's change that to this default one. Oh yeah, look at that blue. If you're a super admin, you can change everything. The events, the products in the store, the posts, whatever you want. And every user has their own profile where they can change their info, see the events, posts, and comments that they've made. And if you ever have time to kill, come on down to the game section where we have the best game in the world, Snake. And we have tic-tac-toe, which is pretty fun, I guess. See, isn't that a much better ACM website? I thought so. Well, contact us and we'll get you all set up.
My name is Abigail Kern. I'm presenting my major contribution to the group project. A list of major accomplishments includes a straightforward profile page which allows editing one's own information. So this is the profile page. The user can update their profile image, they can update their email, they can update their first name, their last name, and they can hit update and all that information updates at one time. So if I come over to the database, we can view the previous information, and if I hit refresh, the information will be updated with their new information. They can also change their account from private, which is currently 1, to public by just clicking this Make Account Public button. So now their account is public, and if we refresh the database, that 1 became a 0, which means they are now a public. I created an integrated email page which allows super admins to send emails to different users right from our website. This is a current super admin user, so I can go over to the email users page. This page allows emailing all users or users by a specific type. It also allows selecting one individual user. So I'm going to go ahead and select one individual user. And it allows customizing the subject and the body. When I hit send, it's going to send to that email, which was abbyk temp. If I come over to this email and refresh it, there is that test message I just sent. I created a simple to use manage user page that allows editing and deleting users in the database with simple button clicks on our website rather than using MongoDB Compass. This is the super admin manage user page. They are able to reset the image, change the user type, block a user, and delete a user. So I can go ahead and show you this is the current path of this image. If I reset it, it's refreshed and is now the default image. They can change this user to be a super admin user. If I refresh the database, this one's the current one, normal user. Now it's super admin. I can go ahead and change that to be a locked account. So now that it's from 0, it goes to be 1, and I can also delete that user. So I can hit delete. If I refresh the page, that user is now completely deleted from the database. I created a simple to use feature on the manage user page that allows sending and viewing update user requests, which creates easy communication between admin and super admin users. So if I log out and I log in as a regular admin, they have the ability to send an user update request to show that the database is currently empty. This is the database and it's empty. Now I can show that they're going to send one here and say user needs to be super admin. They can send that. And now if I log back in as that admin, super admin, their manage user page will actually display that message. So now they're able to see that message that was just sent. They can see a notification up here, and if I refresh that database, it'll show that message right here as well.
This is Addison Toscani with major contributions. The first contribution is the communications page, which if you click the contact info, You get a basic phone number and email, and the email will prompt your computer's email service. The next contribution is live chat. So if we go to discussion and click live chat, it will check if you're logged in. So if you're not logged in, it will keep you at the page. So we just sign in. Go back to discussion, and then it will take you to the chat room, and you enter your name, Addison1, and it'll say you have connected to general chat, and anybody else will see that Addison1 has connected to this room. So if I move to the robotics room, it'll say I left this room, and then we'll have the second user go to the robotics room, and it will say Addison2 has joined the room, and it has live communication. All the messages go across. And then the third contribution is Snake Game. And the Snake Game is, you go to Games and click Play to play Snake, and you can eat little apples with your snake, and it keeps your high score at the top left. And if you run into yourself or the wall, you die.
Hello, my name is Bikram Porel, and today I'll be presenting my major contribution. So my major contribution are the first one is DB initializer model, which can be used to initialize the database. Second is powerful rich text editor, which can be used to has some rich text, for example, having bold, italic, and different feature of the text, and also being able to copy and paste content from other page. And also the post in discussion matching with the local time. And also last one is discussion being even more powerful because the user are able to reply, upload, and download files from it. So let's go test this out real quick. So if I open the app in my home page, if I go to events, all these events are added by DB initializer model, and they're added automatically for this debugging and testing purpose. And if I go to discussion, all this discussion, they're added automatically for debugging and testing purpose. So for example, and we have used that to test a lot of our stuff. For example, here Vlad has added some events on his page to test his stuff, and also the Luha has added some club theme to test his stuff. So let's go ahead and log in, and I'm going to test a couple of stuff here. So if I go to discussion is much more powerful. I can post literally anything to it. For example, I'm going to do something bold. This is bold. And I'll do italic. Not only that, it's also preserved the link from other pages, formatting from other pages. For example, if I were to copy this piece of text here and paste it in my page here, I can paste it. And then I can also attach the file. So I'm going to attach this index file. Okay, and when I post it, it's posting everything. See, it's preserving the formatting of the source. It also has this download icon, which I can click to download the file that I just uploaded. There you go. And I can also reply to the post. For example, I can reply with this website link. And when I do that, see, if I click the reply icon, so I can see the website link. Not only I can see, I can click it to go there. So the final thing I want to test is the timing. So the post matches with the local time. So 11:44 a.m. So if I change this time to something 7, go back, it's 11:44. So it is 10:44. So that's all my major contribution. Thank you.
Hi, this is Joel Erickson with the final presentation. So for my final projects, my major contributions were an interactive event calendar where users can view and attend events. So I'll quickly show that off. So right now I'm logged in as a regular user, and as you can see we have the calendar right here. So users can click any day on the list and they'll be listed with the events on that day, and you can click it to expand it to that event, or you can just click on the event itself like so. and users can attend events. See, I'm attending this sample event 0, and then on sample event 0, it'll say attending user X, which is my dummy account. And then regular users can also request events. So I'm going to put a request in for this day. Say random event details. And then now if I go to event requests, my request will be here, and I'm waiting for an admin to answer, accept or deny that request. So now I will log into an admin account, and I'll show off the admin features and how they're integrated with the calendar. So admins have a very similar view of everything like a regular user, except they get edit and delete functions. So I could delete this event. It's gone now. Can edit things pretty easily. Add an A there. There it is. And finally you can accept and deny requests. So I'm going to accept this request. And now there's no requests left. If I go back to events, there it is. And that sums up the major contributions I made for this semester.
My name is Lu Huayao. This is my major contribution presentation. My major contributions: I created the main admin dashboard page with a sidebar. All admin users are able to check our website basic data from database and visit any functionality page through the sidebar. I created the help info page that allows super admin user to manage this information in the help center. So in this page, the super admin user is able to add any new item into help center page. Super admin user also allows to edit or delete any current item. The admin user allows to apply color, style, and header background image to club pages. So in this page, the admin user can apply any color palette to the select page, or apply customized colors. The admin users allow to upload a new background image to page header background. Through profile page, all registered users are able to view their attending events or click the history button to review attended events. Furthermore, they can see their discussion posts and discussion comments.
Hello, my name is Matthew Gear, and this is my final presentation of major contributions for the Web Server Project 2018. List of major accomplishments. I provided an easy way to edit the product database with options to add, delete, and edit items in the database. I created a simple and easy to navigate store where users can browse the items available in the store. I created a checkout experience that allows users to verify payment and shipping information to prevent mistakes, and created an email receipt for users' records. Here we are on the Add Product page where we can easily add products to the product database. We have fields for type, price, specification, and image, and we can easily add them to the product database. We also have a product main page for the admin where we can go and delete items or edit items in the product database. Here we have our easy to navigate and browse store, where we can easily see all the items in the database that are available for purchase. We can add multiple quantities of an item to the cart, where we're taken to the shopping cart. We can delete things from the shopping cart and easily navigate to and from the store and shopping cart. Which brings us to the quick and easy checkout, where we can select different types of payment methods to purchase our items with, where we're able to fill out the information for our payment, verify the payment information and items being purchased, and purchase amount. We're taken to the confirmation page and are sent a receipt, which we can find in our inbox. That has been my final presentation of major contributions. Thank you very much and have a great day.
Hey, my name is Seth, and today I'll be presenting team deliverables. Major contribution. I set up the functionality that allows users to reset their password if forgotten. I created an ACM member manager page that allows the super admin to perform CRUD operations on the members. The super admin can email all the members regarding dues or send a custom email. First, we'll reset the password. So let me sign in. The password's visible for demonstration purpose only. So it's been updated. We'll sign in. Now, I'm a super admin, so I can perform CRUD operations. So this is being read from the database. We can add a member. So members being added. Pull up the database. There's no Dr. Sung. Let's refresh it. Dr. Sung. We can edit it. So if you go back to the database, refresh. Dr. Sung 2, 2222. And we can delete Dr. Sung. Dr. Sung is gone. We can send an email to everybody about their dues. So I should get 2 of them because both of them checking 2 logged out. And then we can send a custom email to everyone. And I should get 2 of these as well because they're both linked to my account. This concludes Team Deliverables. Thanks for your time.
Hello, my name is Vladislav Volkov. Today I'll be presenting my major contributions for the senior project. So what I've done is I've set up user-friendly and easy to follow homepages. I've also added functionality for administrative users to easily edit the homepages from within the website. And I added an intelligent search function that allows to quickly look up the important information. So let's go to the website and see how that looks on the user end. Right now we're at the main ACM homepage. We have an About section, we have upcoming events, and we have a list of recent discussions. The user can click on either one of the events, and they will learn more information about it. We can also click on either one of the discussions. They're going to be taken to that particular discussion. Here at the top in the navigation bar, we have a drop-down list of clubs menu, and the user can click on either one of the clubs. They're going to be taken to the homepage for that specific club, where they also have events, discussions, and about section that's specific to that particular club. We can go to any club. I'm currently logged in as a super admin, so I can go here to the admin dashboard, and I can go and edit the homepage. We can select the number of discussions and events to be displayed, so let's select 5. And we're going to click Save. We're going to be redirected to that main homepage where we can see the updated content, and we have 5 events and 5 discussions. Admins can edit the club pages in a similar fashion from the admin dashboard. But we're not going to get into that too deeply. Let me show you the search function. So the search bar appears on every page of the website, and we can search anything. We can search for an event. We can search for a post. We can search users. So for instance, let's see, Addison. And finds the user. We can click on it, and we're taken to the user page. Now, if the user profile is set as private, we're not going to be able to find it here. For instance, let's see, Jack is private. So let's go here, and we'll search for Jack. Nothing is found. So that concludes the major features that I've added to the website. Thank you very much for your attention.